In this video, we are going to learn how to sort arrays. So let's first study how to sort indexed arrays. Okay. So basically we have to use a sort function. Okay. It is an inbuilt function which PHP has provided us. So sort arrays in ascending order. So it will sort the array in the ascending order. Now this is applicable only for indexed arrays. Okay, it is not used for associative arrays. So here I have given one example. Here in this array, I have stored the names of different programming languages and I'm just sorting it. So in this case, what will happen is the first letter of every word will be sorted in the ascending order. So that's why first Java will be printed because J comes first alphabetically, and then PHP will be printed because P comes before R, and then at last Ruby will be printed. Okay, so it will sort the array in ascending order. So if the second example is of the numbers, so I have some numbers in random fashion. So when I apply the sort function on this array, so I will get all the numbers in ascending order. So first I will get 3, then 4, then 6, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so let's see this practically. I will go to Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have PHP, then end PHP. Then let's create an array. PHP, Java, then Ruby. Now simply I will use sort function. It is an inbuilt function and it takes only one parameter, that is the name of the array. So in this case it is language. Means in which variable our array is assigning. So we have to pass that variable name. So it will take only one parameter. Okay. We'll just sort it, and after sorting let's display it as well. So we will just use a for each loop. Okay, we have already learned about for each loops. So dollar languages as dollar value, and I'll simply echo dollar value, and I'll break the line as. So let's, okay, so let's make it more clear. What I will do is I will just copy this code. Okay, and I will paste it before the sort function. Okay, so here I will just echo out echo array before sorting, array before sorting. Okay, I'll just, okay, we'll just and here I will echo out array after sorting, and will break the line. So we'll just run this so that it will become more clear. Array before and after sorting. Okay, so as you can see, array before sorting. So we have PHP, Java, and Ruby. And array after sorting, we have Java, PHP, and Ruby. Here, this array. Okay, so now it is looking much clear. I have just broken the line. So array before sorting, we have this, and array after sorting. So you can clearly see the difference. It has been sorted in the alphabetical order in ascending order. Okay, so this is the code. Okay, so first I created an array, then array before sorting, I just printed out the array, then I have sorted the array, then I just printed out the sorted array. So let's now move to, okay, R sort. Now let's say if I want to sort the array in descending order, then in that case I will be using R sort. It is basically reverse sort, reverse of the sorting function. So it will sort the array in descending order. So in this case, first Ruby will be printed. R comes after P and J, okay, in alphabetical manner. Then PHP will be printed, and then Java will. Okay, so I'm just applying R sort to this array. And in case of numbers, first 30 will be printed as it is the largest, then 20, then 10, then 6, 4, and 3. So basically, it is just sorting them in descending order. So let's see IDE. We have PHP tags, and now uh, languages. Now this time, I will just show you with respect to numbers. In the last example, I showed you related to strings. Now let's see related to numbers. So I'll take numbers in some random fashion. 4, 6, 6, 23, and 30. So I have some numbers in random fashion, and I'll just reverse sort. Means I will sort them in descent. So firstly, what I'll do, echo array before sorting. Okay, and then I will just say echo, just print out for each loop, for each dollar number as, and we'll just take any variable, echo dollar value, and we'll just break the line. Now same, we will just copy, will paste this here. I will just say array after sorting, like this. Okay, so now the difference would be much clearer. Let's see. Okay, so we have array before sorting, we have 4, 10, 6, 20, means the numbers are in random fashion, and array after sorting we have 30, 20, 10, 6, 4, 3. So the array has been printed in the descending order. Okay, so this was about reverse sort. Okay, so sort function is used to sort in ascending order, and R sort is used to sort in descending order. So now let's move on to associative arrays. How to sort associative arrays. So we have a function called asort. It is an inbuilt function. It will sort associative arrays in ascending order according to the value. Now this is important to note, according to the value. See, associative arrays are nothing but collection of key value pairs. This is the key and this is the value. So this function asort will sort them in the ascending order according to the value. Okay, so here we have numerical value. So first 18 is the smallest. So first this key value pair will be printed, then 20, then this will be printed, and then 22 is the largest. So it will be printed lastly. Okay, so asort As A sort will sort the associative array in ascending order according to the value. Then we have AR sort. Okay, so it is the reverse sort. Okay, it will sort the array in descending order according to the value. Okay, so basically wherever we have A, so that means it will sort according to the value. So here, since it is sorting in descending order, so first this key value pair will be printed because this is the largest, 22, then 20, and then 18. Okay, so this, so let's see first these two, and then we will be moving further. We have PHP, okay, and then we have a array. Name is Kevin, and let's say my is 20. Then we have another called Watson, whose age is, let's say, 18, and then Arbo, whose age is, let's say, 22. So now what I will do is I will just sort it, a sort, so it will be sorted in this. But to make it more clear, let's say echo array before sorting. So I will just print out this one. For each have $h as $e and $value. So here we have to take two variables, and we'll just say o $key $value. We'll just break the line. Okay, so now I will just apply this function sort $h. Okay, and then I will just print that loop up. Echo array after sorting, so that the picture becomes more clear. Now let's run this. Okay, so as we can see, okay, I'll just take one more echo, so that we get one more space over here. Okay, so now you can see array before sorting we had in this manner. Okay, Kevin 20, the 18, Atharva 22. But array after sorting, it has sorted in ascending order according to the value. So value is this 20, 18, and 22. So 18 is the smallest, then 20, and then 22. So it has been sorted in the ascending order. Okay. Now the same thing we will just sort in the reverse manner, that is in the descending order. So instead of a sort, we will be using AR sort. AR sort. That's the only difference. So I'll just simply save it and we'll run. Okay. So as you can see, array before sorting is like this. Now it is going to sort in descending order according to the value. So that's why first 22 is printed, then 20, and then 18. So it is in the descending order according to the value. Okay, but let's say if I want to sort according to the key. So we have another function that we will be learning now. Okay, so we have k sort. Okay, key sort. From the name itself, we can figure out. Sort, it will sort associative arrays in ascending order according to the key. So this will sort in ascending order, but according to the key. A sort will, a sort function also sorts in ascending order, but according to the value. So this is the only difference between these two. Okay, so we'll just see in this example only, instead of AR sort we will be using K sort. Okay, just K sort, and I'll just run this program. Okay, so as you can see, first Atharva is printed because alphabetically A comes first, then K, and then V. So every letter, so the first letter of every word is compared, and eventually it is printed. So A is the smallest, then comes K, and then V. So it is printed in alphabetic in ascending order. Now when I just sort it in descending order, so first Vatsal will be printed, then Kevin, and then Atharva. Let's see how to sort them in descending. So in descending order, we have to use the function ksort. So you might have noticed that whenever we are sorting in descending order, we make use of this letter called R in every case. R sort, AR sort, KR sort means basically it is reverse sorting, descending order. Okay, so we'll just make some changes. Only one change is required. Instead of K sort, we will write KR sort. Okay, so now first Vatsal will be printed, then Kevin, and then Atharva. Let's see, I will just reload this. Okay, so as we can see, Vatsal, Kevin, and Atharva. This has sorted according to the value in descending order. Okay. So this was about sorting the array. So we can sort the array either in ascending or in descending order. Okay, so we have seen many examples. So this was all about sorting the arrays. Thank you.